Hello everyone. Most of us have in mind that if we eat regularly rice, then we will become fat. Or for diabetic patients, if they eat regularly rice, then their sugar level will increase. So is this right? Actually, this is a big myth. Rice is an ancient of grains. So here I'll explain 4 points which will explain you that rice is not a reason for increasing of fat or increasing of sugar levels. The 4 reasons why you should eat rice on regular basis. First point is rice also contains fiber beside carbs, so which is prebiotic. And second point, rice contains the starch, which is one of the probiotics. Third point is rice ensures the better assimilation of vitamin D and vitamin C, which is very good for bone health. And main thing, that is fourth point, rice is not eaten alone. So it is mixed with dal or chole or egg rice or with non-veg rices. So rice will not be eaten as a single food, so that it will be combined with others, so that it will become a wholesome meal. So these are the 4 points why we should eat rice on daily basis, which will give a good health. But now you all may ask about the GI of rice, that is glycemic index of the rice. Obviously the glycemic index of the rice is high, which is responsible to increase the blood sugar level, but we will not eat rice as a single diet, right? So it is mixed with other varieties of foods which will reduce the glycemic index of the rice, and it will not increase the blood sugar level. So remove the big myth that it will increase the blood sugar level or it will increase the fat. Enjoy your rice meal on daily basis with full plate. It will not affect your health. Instead, it will give a good health functioning to your body. So share this video who all think that the rice will increase their fat or will increase their blood sugar level, and let them enjoy their food with the rice items. If you like the video, kindly share with your friends and relatives, and also if you are seeing my video for first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also comment the topics whichever you are interested. I'll go through and I'll make a videos about the topics. This is Dr. Meenakshi signing off. Thank you.